Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy. Hey all, today we'll see how you can customize your home screen on your mobile, on your Android mobile, just like this. First of all, do let me know in the comments that how you like the arrangement of these apps on the right side of the screen and how you like this calendar and this is what countdown timer widget, and this is weather widget, this is analog clock, and this is Google search bar. And I kept four regularly used apps here, the shortcuts. I'll use Chrome regularly, I'll use Play Store regularly, camera app, and the calling. And here some more apps where I use regularly. I will show you the step by step arrangement of these and use of these widgets and the customization, and where I got this customization widgets. And note this, all these widgets and everything what I used on this home screen are absolutely free. There are no premium versions, nothing like that. Everything I got for free. And first of all, comment down below that choosing the background is the hash one or very important thing when you're customizing your home screen. All your home screen should look appealing and really cool. When someone looks at your home screen, it is just because of the home screen background, which is wallpaper, rather than this widgets. How cool about the widgets? Without this attractive background, your home screen won't look good. So first of all, I'll suggest you something. When you want to have this sort of customization on your mobile, first of all, think of this vector background look wallpaper, vector background look, or what you can say cartoonic background. So I downloaded this something from Pinterest. I said just searched as vector look bg for the room background or something like that. This is interior background of a room sort of wallpaper. So on my Android settings, after I downloaded this, and actually I edited that picture also under lock screen and wallpaper. First of all, I just set this under static, under local images. So as I got this from the pins, means in the Pinterest, I edited this and set this as the wallpaper. Once I set the wallpaper, next I arranged all these widgets. So first of all, I'll remove this calendar and I'll try to add it. So I'll go one by one. And this widget I got from an app called, I'll tell you, open your Play Store, just search something like widget 2024, and this is not widget 2024, widget 2024 aesthetic widgets from the publisher Genius Tools or Labs. If you want the link, you can comment down in the below something like widgets link, so that if the video reach is good, like maybe this video got like 1000 likes and more, I can drop the link in the description also. Yeah, now I'll try to add it. Once you install this is the app what I have installed just now. To add any widget to your home screen, you need to press and hold on the home screen for few seconds, so that you will get this widgets option at the bottom. You need to click on this widgets. Under the widgets, in the alphabetical order, aesthetic widgets is at the top, so you will also find this aesthetic widgets at top only. So click on this and just drag and drop wherever you want the location for this calendar. I set this calendar at the top, but it is absolutely your choice where you'll arrange. Okay, yeah. So this is not the clock, we are okay, this is the calendar. And under calendar, whichever you like, you can keep that calendar, but I have took something like this one, I guess. Yes, this is what you need to press and hold to increase the width and height of this particular uh, calendar. Maybe this is not the one, but you can choose from the list available under their calendar widgets. Okay, I'll try to replace the exact one which I have used, the recent one. Okay,
Yeah, I got lost with that somewhere. I can use this. I will tap on this, and here you can have the customization. Like if you want the rounded corners here, you can increase and decrease. And if you want some more settings like the border or the frame or whatever it may be, you can do the somewhat modifications here. Then click on add widget so that it gets added to this. And now if you press and hold on this, you will get the options to increase and decrease this particular widget. So once you're done, you can press at somewhere on the screen so that it gets fixed on the screen. Okay. Later this one also is from the same same app. This is also from the aesthetic widgets, and I need to drag and drop here. Wherever you want the location, there you can drop it. And see here under photo, calendar, note, batteries, and the photos also you can use. These photos get refreshed automatically. If you want this photo collection thing, you can place it, but now I'm just using this countdown timer. Whatever it may be, you can choose from the available things, and now you can just press and hold and increase to some, yeah. Okay, for example, next later, this clouds, this is a weather widget also from the same provider. You can remove this and press and hold, and from the aesthetic widgets only, I just drag and drop here, and yeah, simply I'll use this one, and I'll use the rounded corners a bit, and that's it, add the widget. I now press and hold and increase the size. Okay, see the arrangement, see here, the calendar, then the widget, then this arrangement, and then this arrangement. I have followed something like diagonal sort of placement. From here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. And this particular analog clock is from the another app, which is the Google Clock app. If you don't have the Google Clock app, you can just search as Google Clock widget or Google Clock. See, this is the clock from Google. Once you install this, and I'll first remove this one. When you press and hold on this home screen widgets, then this clock is from the Google. You need to tap on this, and this is the analog clock. You need to drag and drop here. See, now you can choose whichever the clock you want. See here, if you want this clock, or there are few more options. I'll show you quickly. Press and hold, then widgets, then go to the clock. Then, yeah, drag and drop on the home screen. Then you can choose whichever you want. So that particular clock will be adjusted. And Google search is pretty common. Just for almost every mobile will has the Google search itself. So no need to download separately. Under Google, you will have this Google search bar. So you can drag and drop directly on the home screen. Yeah, see here. This is how you can place this. And coming to these apps from other home screens, for example, if you have any other app which is frequently used for say contacts, you need to drag and drop to the main home screen first and then place it over here. Right now there is no enough space for me, that's why it is going somewhere. So you can arrange the apps here like this, whichever is important to you, whichever you use regularly. And these 4 apps are common. If you want to remove this, you can press and hold and you can remove and add one other app. Likewise,
When you take a screenshot of this particular app, then everything clearly looks good. And I just request you one thing. Please do your valuable feedback on this home screen customization, whether you like it or which widgets you are particularly using, so that it may be useful to the others who want to customize their home screen. Probably, I will drop you a link in the description for my websites where you can upload an image, possibly, if you can take the screenshot and upload your home screen layout and the look and feel what you got. That would be better. And do comment in the comment section that how it would be if I keep a web page, something like that, dedicated, where all of us can share our home screens. And yeah, let's do comment in the comment section. I'll eager to read what you are feeling about this particular home screen look and feel. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.